Hello, my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading session. So, keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ng energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Uy, healing crystals. We have here the light bulb and tree. Parang spiritual connection to Maring soulmate twin flame na malalim na ang ugnayan nyo sa isa't isa. Marami na kayong mga past life na pinagdaanan nitong taong ito. At paulit-ulit ang mga nagiging cycle, kaya paulit-ulit nangyayari ang mga nangyari na noon. We have here the mask and the bird. Okay, so it's time para palayain ang mga dapat palayain para in this new journey na pagdadaanan yung dalawa. Ayan. Bottom card is Scissor. So, medyo matagal na kayong no contact situation in separation nitong taong ito. Ayan. Pilit niyang tinatago ang lahat, pero deep inside nasasaktan pa rin siya sa mga nangyari, sa separation na to. Pero pinapakita na lang niya na baliwala na lang yung lahat. Pinapakita na lang niya na naka-move on na siya, na okay na siya, na nakalimutan na niya yung mga nangyari. So, tingnan natin. Oops, nahulog agad to. Ace of Pentacles. We also have here the Four of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles. Puro Pentacles tayo. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ayan. Five of Swords, Three of Cups. Queen of Pentacles, Ten of Cups. And this one is the Star. And Ten of Swords. Uy, nako. So, ito mga nangyaring ito sa inyo nakaraan ay matatapos na. Ayan, may mga hindi magandang nangyari. Completion ng cycle 10-10. Ayan. Parang union of hearts is coming soon. Ayan. Kasi ang 10-10, it's about ending ng mga cycles na to and another new beginning na yung susunod for the both of you. So, we have here this Three of Cups, reconciliation card, reunion, ayan, parang union of hearts na rin para sa mga twin flame connection. Ayan, celebration as well, coming. And we have the Star, Aquarius energy yan na parang ito yung mga wish fulfillment mo, wish upon a star na matutupad. Ayan. And tingnan natin, ano bang message ng ating archangels? We have here Clear Sentience by Archangel Rockwell. Notice your recurring physical and emotional feelings as they signify divine guidance. Nahulog pa tong isa. We have here Patience by Archangel Jophiel. Your dreams are blooming more rapidly than you realize. Still, they need nurturing and patience. So, kunting pasensya pa. Ayan. And tingnan natin sa ating Tarot Messages Oracle Cards. Can we start again? I watch you from afar, stalker. The struggle is real. Crying over you, feeling lost. Husband-wife material. Can't sleep thinking of you all night long. And I'm talking to you telepathically. And this one is I want commitment. And you're the fairest of them all. So, tingnan natin sa ating The Hidden Truth Oracle Cards. Ayan, may angel number pa tayong 444. Okay. I couldn't let you get close to me. I love you unconditionally. I know I messed up everything. I don't react when people mention you. I wish I could take back my words. I wish things could be different. I hide behind material things and I look for you everywhere. Uy, hinahanap-hanap ka niya. The timing just wasn't right for us. Noong mga panahong yun. Pero ngayon, nagbago na. Parang umaayon na yung tadhana sa inyong dalawa. Lalo na kung ito ay twin flame connection, no? So, tignan natin sa ating blue card. Wow, true love. All strings attached. And reminiscing. Missing you daw. Miss you, ganun. Okay. So, tingnan natin sa initials. Kuha tayo ng mga initials natin. Letter Y, J, F, Z, I, X, U, A, B, oops, letter E. Ayan, bottom card S. And tingnan natin sa ating general signs and the messages. We have here fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, gorgeous, hilarious. Number 4, birthmark, caring, friendly, very lucky. Ayan, mga keywords na lang po ito. Very explainable na. Ayan. Cold City, green-minded, September, number 1. The runner card, weird, Virgo, athletic, sword is air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, sweet. February, overthinker, crazy for you, full of charisma. May, shy at first, si divine masculine. Dimple, vulnerable, creepy stalker, yung mga stalker natin dyan. December, South PH, ngayong October, and eye contact. Okay, so yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.